that low, not hot enough.
Big hole in the block.
No. Shit. There's a wrist pin. It's all right though. It's been tough.
Fans, we're live from the pits in Evansville, Indiana at Urban Destruction. We're in the pit area of Michael Ambergy team. Bad Idea. They're getting stuff done here. Changing an engine. Crewmates drove home, picked up another engine out of the shop, brought it out here. They've been turning wrenches all morning, trying to get stuff done from Michael Ambergy's car to not let the team down, get everything finished up. And they're almost ready to fire here. They're buttoning things up. It's been a hell of a show here at Urban Destruction. The weather has helped. The action has been hot and heavy, and everybody's throwing down here. You want to make sure you're tuning in. Consies start at 3 p.m. And there's something you don't see every day. Clutch Marls in a full-size car. Because of the amount of features here today, Wicked has decided to run the consolation starting at 3 p.m. So make sure you're tuning in at derbynation.tv. 3 p.m. for the consolation rounds. We've got a 3-on-3 compact team consolation, 4-on-4 bone stock team consolation. And then we've got all kinds of stuff coming up for individual features. A bone stock feature, a metric old school feature, a DP class feature, and then the main team features as well. So tons of stuff tonight. You can catch it all on derbynation.tv. Once again, this is Michael Ambergy's pit, the 4X. They changed an engine. They're not going down without a fight, Team Bad Idea. Catch it all tonight live on derbynation.tv.